to be more audible when you are in insurance currently, you see you need to change even positions. So I change it so that I will be audible. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I will again focus only in insurance. It's a very pressing, dynamic, no more opportunity, but threats just knocking our door, which is the fourth, as Yared said it clearly, the fourth industrial revolution. What does it mean for insurance industry? And what's our challenge? And how should we get really prepared? Let me quickly go through it. So as one of the insurance thought leaders has said it, it's a big tsunami that's coming to the insurance world. Insurance is no more going to be traded like it used to be. Yared earlier has just highlighted us about the disruptive technologies. So trust me, as earlier Dr. Gamacho said, maybe in 5 years' time when we are discussing the same platform, maybe insurance is going to be sold through Amazon, through Apple, through Facebook. So even the banking. So we really need to be ready for that. What do I mean by that? Now the disruption in insurance is, it's been unprecedented change happening in insurance sector. We call it InsurTech. You know, the InsurTech is doing a lot of things. Number one is digital. Everything is going digital. The way we discover, engage, transact business becoming highly digital. Look, what about the consumers and the products we are doing currently? Most consumers are not happy with their current experience. Buying a complicated policy in a vaguely unpleasant underwriting process, paying their annual premiums, and when something happens, filing a claim and hoping to get it paid. It's not going to happen in the future. We need to work out on these things and how things are being changed. Now, it used to be, by the way, it's named, framed like fintech, but now the insurance experts and people in insurance are now having their own name, InsurTech. What does InsurTech mean? Almost all companies are now working and embracing the technology. It saves and it creates efficiency. And a lot of startup companies are also coming. We can discuss on the regulatory framework, but regulatory even is not more necessary for startup companies. If Google and Amazon and Facebook are going to sell the policies, they already have billions of customers and platforms. Already they can easily connect. So what are the emerging trends? Let me quickly just elaborate on those things. Number one, automation is replacing human efforts across the entire insurance value chain. Now we have the rise of digital advisors. Human-to-human interaction are replaced by human-to-machine risk assessments. Mind you, we are always based in face-to-face, but people, the digital natives, are no more embracing these things. Number two, convenience, where the most important thing now is replacing price and buying criteria. In the olden time, even currently, price comparison reduced the market bargain basement. Brokers played a key role in providing personal service. Service was still the differentiator, and the customer stayed loyal to the insurer. No more. In the digital world, service has been automated and the broker is disintermediated. In the one-demand insurance world, convenience is the most important, mind you. Most of the values we have been working, price, intermediation, convenience, efficiency, they are not going to be working. The most important thing is now convenience. Insurance premiums will be becoming highly personalized. Telematics, Internet of Things, smart apps, wearables are enabling insight to customers and their individual risks. Gone will be the days when people are the same age, gender, with identical cars, homes, and living the same street will pay the same premium. The lines between the old and the new will blur. I am the giant company who's been 20 years, 100 years in reputation. It doesn't matter no more. InsurTech startups are popping up all over the world. Now, by the way, the insurance premium is aggregate, including life and general, is about 7 trillion. So everyone is lurking for the 7 trillion cake. So the incumbents and the new startup comings are not differentiated. Everyone, we have like 100 years in the market. It's no more important. The most important thing is convenience, price. So insurance policies are going to be all in one. As a proposer giving the insured the details about his car, home, health, travel, his pets, and possessions, then one policy. Even the insurance ecosystem is going to change. Initially, it's through then the customer here, then the broker comes, then the reinsurer. No more like that. It's now a new ecosystem. Reinsurer can go directly to the digital brands, to Lemonade or to Sherpa or to Amazon, who can directly provide insurance. So usage-based insurance is also popping up now, like a prepaid cell phone. You can no more pay for annual premium. You can buy, I need only buy like 5 kilometers is all I need for my car. Says you buy 5 kilometers insurance. No more for your gender, no more for your car type. It's only it's what the insurance says, usage-based insurance. And it's going to be applied like pay as you drive. And now gradually we're shifting to even pay your premium as you live. You don't need it, you don't want it. I mean, you are staying at your home, insurance may not be necessary even. So this is the disruption, the InsurTech, it's happening now in our market. But where are we? What's our market? Still we are selling our traditional products age-old in the shelves. Still all our companies are shelving from the same pond. We are still fishing from one pond. It is clearly red ocean. Our industry lacks dynamism, integration, and market is still heavily dominated by affiliated business. I don't want to go into the details, you know what it means. And still we are tightly regulated, and our pace is slow for growth. We are condemned to grow thin. We can't even have the liberty to invest in our own money. And our density and penetration is still substantially low. So what's going to do? The roadmap. Number one, we have to shift from the product mindset. Today, most of us think in terms of specific product or class of business, and instead of needs of the customer buying the product. I always mention this. A man buys the drill. Does he really need the drill or the hole? The seller should sell the hole, not the drill. But we still are trying to avail the drill, not the hole. We need to shift our focus to consumer needs and anticipate how changing behavior will create the opportunities for new products. So from products, we need to be customer-centric. Increased customer segmentation, offering customized and innovative products using technology. Look, Starbucks even, the coffee we are drinking everywhere, is changing its motto to inspire and nurture the human spirit. But insurance, we are the cheapest is our motto still. We are wooing the industry, the market, the consumers by showing us we are the cheapest. So another option, what we should do is obviously unquestionable. We need to boost our efficiency. We need to be data savvy, automated across all process. Let's go digital. Another essential element is deregulate. We have heard a very good news just in the morning from His Excellency, the State Minister, and now from our colleagues of National Bank. There has been a continued, first, there is understanding that there is huge regulation and a very good opportunity that the market is going to be to deregulate. Other things, legislation. Insurance being avoided from the legislation. Mind you, our major responsibility has been fragmented. Pension scheme is being done by someone else. Tax havens, tax incentives for life insurance product is not considered. So we need to work for legislative advocacy. Then mergers. Mergers is not a bad thing. We need to collaborate and defeat the market. And of course, we need to innovate. Innovation is a very important order of the day. And finally, building flexible organization and workforce. Technology and process don't improve themselves. New business model, new ideas, and the way to capitalize on emerging trends come from organization and people that are able to change. And finally, let's do it now. If it is not yesterday, let's now.